Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is preposition, page 102 to page 105. Open your books on page 102. Students, preposition is a part of speech. A word used to indicate location and direction is called preposition. A word used to indicates means show karna, location makam and direction rukh. A word used to indicate location and direction is called preposition. For example, in, on, at, up, etc. The mother is in the room. In May, the mother is in the room. The jug is on the table. On per shows the location of the jug. The boy is behind the tree. Direction behind piche. The tissue paper is out of the box. The plane is above the cloud. Out bahir, above, upar. The children are outside the house. The letter is from my friend. From taraf se. Say. Amir is walking up the stairs. Up, upar. Maria is walking down the stairs. Niche. Teacher is busy at the blackboard. Par. Jamil is walking to the gate. Ko. To, ko. The ball is under the chair. Under niche. The ball is under the chair. From these sentences, we come to the conclusion that preposition are the words like in, on, at, up, which shows the position of noun, which shows location and direction. Nasir is sitting in front of the computer. In front is preposition. The boy is jumping into the pool. These are compound preposition. In front, into. The bridge is over the river. The house is across the river. Nazia is sitting among her classmates. The car is moving along the road. Look at the blackboard. Books are on the top of the cupboard. The moon is moving around the earth. Around ird-gird. Moving, harkat karna. Ali is sitting between Amir and Raza. Students, word between is preposition used for two persons, two things. But among is used for more than two things or two persons. The man is walking towards the bus stop. The temperature is below 15 centigrade. Below, niche. Choose the suitable preposition and fill in the blanks. He is at home. At home. Ahmad is in bed. The temperature is below 4 centigrade. The traveler is sleeping under the tree. The bridge is over the river. The boat is under the bridge. She hides under the bridge. Do not run in front of the car. Aslam is walking to the park. She goes for a walk. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition given in the box. In, and, at, on, between, among, up, down, to, for. She came to Pakistan. My mother bought a good book for me. The teacher gave away papers to the students. The principal distributed awards among winners and runners up. Winners and runners up. They are not two persons. They are more than two persons. The towel is on her head. The ball is on the table. She woke up at 6 o'clock. For timings, students, we will use at, preposition at. The teacher is in the class. They are going up the stairs to reach the top. They are going down the stair to reach the bottom. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Bring your grammar book to a school for checking. Stay safe at home. God bless you.